Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll see how to deploy our custom websites on Linux server using Apache HTTPD server. So Apache HTTPD server listen for incoming requests from clients on specific port. Okay. So default port of Apache HTTPD server is 80 and process it and send the requested resource such as our website content to the client. And Apache HTTPD server is free and open source web server. Also, it's compatible with various operating systems like Linux distributions, then the Windows. Okay, let's see how to install Apache HTTPD server on Linux server. First, we have to launch one Linux EC2 instance. I have already launched it, but if you don't know how to launch, then you can watch my how to create Linux EC2 instance video. I'll put link in the description. Let's connect EC2 instance. Click on connect and click on connect. Okay, now I'm inside the Linux EC2 instance. Just do sudo -i. So basically I switch the user from EC2 user to the root user. Now in order to deploy our website inside Linux server, we have to install Apache HTTPD package first. So for that, just refer this document. So this is the Apache HTTPD official document. I'll put link in the description box. So these are the some steps we have to perform on Linux server. And if you are using Ubuntu and Debian server, then you have to run these two commands. Okay, now copy this command sudo yum install httpd. So basically by using this command, we are going to install Apache httpd on our Linux server. So just copy this command and paste here. Okay, sudo yum install httpd. So let's remove sudo from here because we already logged in using root user. So we don't require this sudo. And don't worry about the commands. I'll put all the commands in the description box. So just do -y and enter. Okay, HTTPD is already installed on my system, so that's why it's saying dependency resolved, nothing to do. Just remove HTTPD. So I'll remove HTTPD. Just type remove HTTPD -y. Do enter. Okay, it's now removed. Just clear the screen and run that install command one more time. See, installation is started. Okay, now installation is completed. Now enable the service using systemctl enable httpd and remove this -y. Okay, so you can copy this command from the description box or you can copy this command from official page as well. So this is the command systemctl enable httpd. Do enter. Okay, it's created this symlink. So httpd is enable. Now start the service by using systemctl start httpd command. Hit enter. Okay, service is started. Now check the service by using status command. See, it's saying active. Now we have to enable port 80 because Apache HTTPD runs on port 80. So let's go here, select the EC2 instance and click on security. Scroll down, click on security group. So this is the security group. So we have to enable port 80 in the inbound rules. Go here and click on edit inbound rules. Okay, HTTP and port 80 is already enabled. But if you want to enable, just click on add rule and here scroll down, select HTTP. So port 80 is already taken and just allow from anywhere and click on save rules. Okay, it's already added. So that's why I'm not going to add it. Cancel. Then just copy the instance IP, public IP. Okay, so click on details, copy public IP address, go here and paste that IP here with http :/ and the IP address, hit enter. So it's saying it works. So this is the default page for the Apache HTTPD server. Now let's do one thing, go inside HTML directory. So this is the default path for the HTTPD server, www/ then the HTML. Hit enter, do ls. See, this is the default path. Now create our custom index.html file, do vim and do index.html. index.html. Hit enter. Okay, type content here, press I for the insert mode and just type DevOps. You can type any content here, DevOps CICD flow. So this is my custom content. Then press escape and press shift colon, then WQ and exclamatory do enter. Okay, now do cat index.html. So content is updated. So this is the content DevOps CI/CD flow. Now restart the service using this command systemctl restart httpd restart httpd. Hit enter. So service is restarted. Now go here and paste that IP. Hit enter. See, DevOps CI/CD flow content is showing. So previously it was showing it works. Now it is showing DevOps CI/CD flow. Now refresh this page. See, DevOps CI/CD flow is showing. So like that, you can deploy your custom content or your custom website using Apache HTTPD on Linux server. Just do ls. See, index.html is there. So like that, you can put your website content files or directory here in this directory HTML. So just do pwd. So this is the directory var www.html. So inside this directory, you can put your website files like HTML file, then the CSS file, and there are multiple files, right? So you can put all the files here, and after that restart the HTTPD service and refresh the browser from here. Then you will get your custom website content here. Okay, so just replace. I'll replace that content using echo command. Echo. So I'll just add welcome to DevOps CI/CD flow YouTube channel and just do index.html index.html. Hit enter. So do cat and index.html. See, here you can see the content is updated inside the index.html file. Now restart the HTTPD service using this command systemctl restart HTTPD. Hit enter. Okay, service is restarted. Now go here and refresh the page. See, welcome to DevOps CI/CD flow YouTube channel. Content is showing. So like that, you can deploy your custom website. Okay, let's update index.html file with some content. Like I'll put this one. So I have just colored background for this line and for this line. Just save this content. WQ and restart service systemctl restart httpd. Okay, hit enter. Restart. Okay, restart and hit enter. Okay, service is restarted. Now go here and refresh the page. See, the content is updated. So like that, you can deploy your custom websites on Linux server using Apache HTTPD. And if you have any doubts, then you can ask me in the comment section. Bye bye.